Hey guys, do you like the game Car Parking Multiplayer? Well, today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to download a modded version of Car Parking Multiplayer for iOS and Android. So let me open it up and show you guys. As you can see, I got no money. When I press this button, I can actually add unlimited coins and money to my account. So I'm going to max it out right here and just show you guys how this works. So as you can see, this is what's currently in my account, and it's going to start rising, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download the modded version for your device. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So as you can see, this is what we got right now, and bang, look at that, it is going up. So I'm going to show you how to download Car Parking Multiplayer modded version for your device. So if you guys want to get money in Car Parking Multiplayer, I got you, bro. So all you have to do is go to your browser and type in this website right here, tweakmod.com. All right, so on this website, guys, go to the search bar, put in Car Parking Multiplayer, press install. Now, before it downloads the mod, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. So basically, what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. And then we should have the Car Parking Multiplayer modded version installed on our phone. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So as you can see, it's downloading right now. So I'm just going to let it finish. All right, and we should be good to go. So um, last step is missing files. So this is where we have to do the verification. We just have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. So like Travel Town says reach level 9, so it's like a game. So all I have to do is go to the App Store and play this until I'm level 9. So that's easy. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps. You should be all good to go. So that's how I get it for your device, guys. So this is super cool. So yeah, you just like play through these here, as you can see. So that's how to get the modded version of Car Parking Multiplayer for iOS and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and there's the video to watch too if you're confused. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, just make sure you download some of the apps. You got the video there you can watch. So let's go over the App Store and type in Car Parking Multiplayer just so you guys can see how expensive it is. So I'm just going to type it in. So I'm just going to type in car. And as you can see, guys, here it is. So you don't need the game installed because this is a separate modded version. But as you can see, it is super expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're not really involved in the payment scene. So that's how to get Car Parking Multiplayer modded version, unlimited money for your device, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yes, it actually works, guys. So be sure to try it out. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. That's literally the only thing that could mess you up if you don't do that. So yeah, have fun, guys. Super cool. Works in 2026. So yeah, just make sure you download some of these apps. You're gonna be all set. So that's how to download Car Parking Multiplayer modded version with unlimited money, guys. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to like tell your friends about it because I just want to get the whole crew involved here. Let all you guys know about it. But yeah, this is super cool. So if you guys need Car Parking Multiplayer modded version, now you know how to download it and it works. So have fun, guys. Try it out. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything because this fully works, guys. Super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.